Good day everyone, I'm Norjanah in Potawan, and this video presentation I will be discussing the topic showing cause and effect relationships, a key concept in our elective subject. This concept is essential in reading and writing because it helps us understand how and why things happen. Cause and effect relationships explain the connection between events, what made something happen, and what happened because of it. It is used not only in stories or literature but also in specific texts, essays, reports, and everyday explanations. When we understand these relationships, we improve our comprehension and make our own writing more logical and organized. Definition and importance. What is cause and effect? Let's start with definition. Cause is the reason something happens. An effect is the result of that cause. It answers basic question, why did it happen and what happened because of it? Understanding cause and effect is important because it shows how events are connected. This helps reduce follows a flow of ideas in a text and allow writers to clearly express their thoughts. It also helps readers or it also help us think critically and analyze situation in real life. So, signal words for cause and effect. To identify or to show cause and effect relationships, we often use signal words or phrases. This includes because, since, due to, as a result, therefore, so, thus. For example, it rained heavily because a typhoon hit the area, or there was flooding. As a result, classes were suspended. These words help connect ideas clearly and guide the reader to understand what caused an event and what happened after. So, example of cause and effects in real life examples. Let's look at a few examples. The student studied hard for the exam, so she passed with high marks. That's the number one example. The number two example is the streets were slippery because it had rained all night. That's the second. The third one, the computer crashed due to virus infection. In each of these examples, we can see a clear cause that leads to a certain effect. These relationships are very useful in explaining process, events, and decisions. So, why it matters, the cause and effect? Importance in reading and writing. Cause and effect relationships are used in many types of text, from stories and novels to news articles and academic essays. Writers use them to make their points clearer and stronger, while readers use them to better understand the message of the text. When writing, show clear causes, effects helps organize your thoughts and make your message easy to follow, whether you're writing a science report, a narrative, a position paper. Using cause and effect can make your ideas more convincing and logical. So, in summary, cause and effect is a relationship where one leads to another. Recognizing and using this relationship improves our reading comprehension and writing skills. Remember, always look for the reason behind an event, the cause, and what happens as a result, the effect. Use signal words to connect these ideas and practice identifying them in your reading and writing activities. So there are types of cause and effect relationship you may encounter in reading or writing. Number one is one cause, one effect. Simple and direct. Example, the power went out because of the storm. One cause. Number two is the one cause, multiple effects. A single reason result in many outcomes. For example, because of the pandemic, business closed, schools shifted online, and people stayed home. Number three, multiple causes, one effect. Several reasons contribute to one result. Example, pollution, illegal logging, and climate change all cause the flooding. Knowing these types helps you better to organize you when writing and understanding complex events. Graphic organizers, tool to show cause and effect. To clearly present cause and effect, writers and students often use graphic organizers such as cause and effect charts, fishbone diagrams, flowcharts. These tools help you map out what happens, why did it happen. They are useful in planning essays or understanding text, especially when the relationships are complicated or detailed. So there are common mistakes you must avoid. When working with cause and effect, avoid these common mistakes. Number one is confusing correlation with causation. Just because two events happen together does not mean one caused another. Number two is missing causes or effects. Be sure to explain both sides. Don't just say what happened, explain why. Number three is using unclear signal words. Be precise and choose the correct linking phrases like because, therefore, or as a result. Clear thinking and proper organization will help you avoid these errors. So, tips for writing a cause and effect relationships in paragraph. Number one, start with clear topic sentence. Use appropriate signal words. Explain the cause and effect in detail. Give example. Keep your ideas organized. To wrap up, cause and effect relationship are essential tools in communication. They help us make sense of what we read and write in a logical way. Whether you're analyzing events in history, explaining a science experiment, or writing your own narrative, recognizing and using cause and effect can make your work more effective. Thank you so much for watching my presentation, and I hope now you understand the importance of cause and effect relationships.